All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we have discussed one previous video that relates to Prop 46 in California, and this is our second one. And we're going to talk about the CURES system. And actually, Bob Pack, who has started the Prop 46 initiative, is the one who created CURES because of his unfortunate situation with his two children. So, David, first of all, what does CURES stand for? And second of all, what exactly will it do if this gets signed into law?
Okay, the CURES system, and I got to read this, it stands for Controlled Substance Utilization Review and Evaluation System. Currently, only 6% use the CURES system. Under the PACT Act, they're trying to have 100% of the CURES, 100% of the medical providers or pharmacists or doctors use the CURES system. You mentioned the tragic incident that happened to Robert Pack. If you read up on it, and I think there's a video out there where Robert Pack himself discusses it to some degree, his wife, and two kids were going to go out and get some ice cream, something to that effect. His wife and two kids decided to go. They were walking on a sidewalk, and as a result of some person who had gone to Kaiser and been prescribed narcotic drugs, I believe Vicodin, over and over, who was on alcohol, who had been drinking alcohol, along with the narcotic drugs that had been prescribed by different doctors at Kaiser, who had never been able to check and determine that, hey, wait a minute, this lady's seen 3 doctors or 4 doctors within a month, and we all have gone ahead and prescribed her the drug Vicodin, which shouldn't happen. Well, under the CURES system, that would never happen, because you would check the system and you would find out, okay, this lady's been prescribed the medication, she's already been dispensed the medication, then the doctor would know, or the pharmacist would know that, and would say, I'm not going to go ahead and prescribe that. Unfortunately, with Robert Pack, the driver who was driving under the influence as well as the narcotics killed both his daughter and his son, which were young kids, and you can imagine how tragic that is. You know, you can, all of a sudden your life is in shambles, you have 2 kids, and now you have no kids. And he's the one who's actually been pushing this, and his position is that also with the CURES system, that the cap has to be increased for the pain and suffering. I mean, you can understand a lot of the large companies that are going to be opposing the Prop 46 are going to be, I think, trying to put money out there and saying that this is all trial lawyers. This is all trial lawyers trying to increase the limit or the cap in order to benefit them. I think Florida recently had something where they disjunct the whole cap system, and they said that studies or something of that nature has shown that it didn't help not increase the insurance rate for doctors. If anything, all it did is just make the insurance companies richer than they are. So Prop 46 has a lot of benefits to it, like the random drug testing. CURES is one of them, which is, again, making sure that people don't go doctor shopping and get medications from every other doctor in town and get loaded up and drive around and cause injuries or do other stuff that, because being under the influence of drugs can happen as a result. So that's what the CURES system is, and obviously we'll have more information on it on our website for anybody that's interested to look at and review more.
Absolutely. Well said, David. And there will be plenty of resources available on davidazizipersonalinjury.com. We will have an ongoing dialogue about Prop 46 and where we stand with the situation. The vote will actually happen on November 4th. 2014, and leading up to that, there will be plenty more videos where we will discuss where things are headed, what things are going on, and how you can better educate yourself to make an unbiased decision. We have no bias either one way or the other. We're just trying to provide the information. So thank you very much for your time, David.
All right, thank you.